Hello everyone and welcome back to the English Language Club. I am so happy to see you all again. This is your one English lesson, and today we are going to dive into a very delicious and very important topic: how to talk about your favorite foods and drinks. In our last lesson, we learned how to introduce ourselves and talk about our families. Now, it's time to talk about something we all love: food. We will cover a lot of useful words and phrases that you can use every single day, especially when you are ordering food at a cafe, at a restaurant, or even at a fast food place. It's so exciting to learn new words and new ways to talk. And by the end of this lesson, you will be able to tell your friends what you like to eat and what you like to drink. So get comfortable, get ready to repeat after me, and let's start learning together. We have so much to talk about, from fruits and vegetables to different types of meals. So let's begin right now with our very first long paragraph full of new words and phrases. Let's start with some very common words for food. We have apple, banana, and orange, which are popular fruits. We also have bread, cheese, chicken, fish, and pasta, which are very common foods in many countries. For vegetables, you can say tomato, cucumber, broccoli, or potato. It's very simple to say if you like or don't like these things. You just need to say I like, and then the food. For example, I like apples or I like coffee. If you don't like something, you can say I don't like. For example, I don't like broccoli or I don't like milk. If you feel very strong about a food, you can use stronger words. You can say I love chocolate if it's your favorite, or you can say I hate onions if you really don't like them. This is a great way to start a conversation about food, and it is a very simple grammar rule to remember and use every single day when you are with your friends and family. Now, let's learn how to ask if someone else likes a food. The question is very simple. Do you like? And then the food. For example, do you like pizza? The answer can be yes, I do, if you like it. Or no, I don't, if you don't. You can also ask about drinks. Do you like orange juice? The answer could be yes, I do, it's my favorite. Or no, I don't, I prefer water. This is an excellent way to practice a new question and answer structure, so you can have a real conversation with your English-speaking friends. Remember to use yes, I do, and no, I don't as short answers. Another great question to ask is, what is your favorite food? You can then answer with my favorite food is. For example, my favorite food is chicken. This is a very good question to get to know someone better. Alright, now let's imagine you're at a cafe. How can you order food and drinks? This is a very useful skill for your daily life. We use phrases like can I have a, or I would like. These are both very polite ways to order something. For example, you can say can I have a coffee please? Or I would like a croissant please. Adding please at the end of the sentence is very important because it makes you sound polite and friendly. You can also ask for two things at once. For example, I would like a sandwich and a glass of water, please. It is so simple to do, and you can practice this sentence structure many times by saying different foods and drinks. The waiter might also ask you anything else, and you can respond with no, thank you, or yes. Can I also have a dessert? A waiter or a waitress might ask you questions like what would you like to eat? Or what would you like to drink? And you can respond with the phrases we just learned. For example, if a waiter asks you what would you like to eat, you can say, I would like a hamburger please. If they ask what would you like to drink, you can reply with can I have an orange juice please? It's also good to know how to ask about the price. You can simply ask, how much is it? Or how much is the coffee? These simple questions and answers will help you feel more confident when you are ordering food and drinks in a real-life situation. Let's practice a short dialogue now to make sure you understand everything. Waiter, hello, what would you like to order? You, I would like a coffee, please. Waiter, anything else? You, yes. Can I have a slice of cake, please? Waiter, to eat in or to take away? You, to eat in, thank you. Waiter, that's $3. Thank you. You. Thank you. See? It's very easy to have a short conversation. Now, let's quickly review everything we learned today. We learned how to say I like, I don't like, I love, and I hate, to talk about our favorite foods and drinks. We also learned how to ask "Do you like?" and how to answer with "Yes, I do," or "No, I don't." And finally, we practiced ordering food at a cafe using the phrases "Can I have?" and "I would like," with "please" to be polite. And we learned new questions like "anything else?" and "how much is it?" These phrases are very important for your English skills, and practicing them will make you a much more confident speaker in the future. Don't forget to practice all these new sentences and words every day and try to have a real conversation with your friends. That's all for today's lesson, the English Language Club members. I hope you learned a lot of new things and feel more confident about talking about food. Our next lesson will be a One English Lesson Video 5, where we'll talk about our hobbies and free time. It's going to be so much fun. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming lessons. See you next time.